Have you ever wondered what a Bitcoin ETF is? Well, let's dive into it. Bitcoin ETF. The acronym ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product, but with a twist. This twist is the B word, Bitcoin. A Bitcoin ETF is a fund that aims to track the price of the world's first and most famous digital cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Now, you might ask, why would anyone want to track the price of Bitcoin? Here's the kicker. Bitcoin ETFs are designed to give investors the opportunity to get in on the Bitcoin action without actually owning the cryptocurrency. That's right, you can have your cake and eat it too, metaphorically speaking. So, in the world of finance, where Bitcoin has become a buzzword and a trendsetter, a Bitcoin ETF is your ticket to investing in Bitcoin without owning it. Now you might be wondering, how does a Bitcoin ETF work? Well, it's actually quite simple and ingenious. A Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF for short, is a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product. But here's the kicker. It's designed around digital currency. That's right, Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency, takes center stage in this financial innovation. So how does it all come together? The Bitcoin ETF operates by purchasing and holding Bitcoins. It's like a treasure chest of digital gold, securely holding on to these precious assets. But instead of keeping this treasure all to itself, the ETF goes a step further. It issues shares that represent a portion of the ownership in the fund. Imagine you're at a party and a delicious pizza arrives. Instead of one person hogging all the pizza, it's divided into slices and shared among the guests. In the same vein, the ETF slices up its Bitcoin holdings into shares, making it possible for more people to get a piece of the Bitcoin pie. But where do you get these shares? You buy and sell them on traditional market exchanges, just like you would with shares of a company. The value of these shares is intimately tied to the value of the Bitcoins held by the ETF. When the price of Bitcoin goes up, so does the value of your shares. Conversely, when Bitcoin takes a dip, your shares ride that wave too. Remember, Bitcoin ETFs are designed to track the price of Bitcoin. They provide a way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the need to directly purchase, store, or manage the digital currency themselves. It's the convenience of traditional investing meets the excitement of cryptocurrency. So if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin, but aren't quite ready to jump in headfirst, a Bitcoin ETF might be just the ticket. In a nutshell, when you own a share of a Bitcoin ETF, you indirectly own a portion of its Bitcoin holdings. But what are the pros and cons of investing in a Bitcoin ETF, you ask? Well, let's break it down. First, the advantages. Bitcoin ETFs provide ease of access. No need for complex transactions or digital wallets. If you can buy stocks, you can buy a Bitcoin ETF. They also offer liquidity. Bitcoin ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the day at market prices, like any other publicly traded security. Finally, there's regulatory protection. Bitcoin ETFs are subject to the same regulations as other ETFs, offering investors a level of protection not found in the Wild West of direct Bitcoin trading. But like any investment, Bitcoin ETFs aren't without their drawbacks. One downside is fees. ETFs come with expense ratios, which are annual fees charged as a percentage of your investment. Over time, these fees can eat into your returns. Then there's the potential for tracking errors. Bitcoin ETFs aim to track the price of Bitcoin, but they don't always hit the mark. These discrepancies can affect the return on your investment. And perhaps the biggest disadvantage, you don't actually own any Bitcoin when you invest in a Bitcoin ETF. You're investing in a fund that tracks Bitcoin's price, not the cryptocurrency itself. This means you won't be able to participate in the Bitcoin economy directly. So while Bitcoin ETFs offer a simple way to gain exposure to Bitcoin, they also have their own set of challenges. So there you have it, a simple explanation of what a Bitcoin ETF is and how it works. In essence, Bitcoin ETFs offer a unique investment opportunity, allowing you to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin without actually owning it. They operate by purchasing and holding Bitcoins, providing both advantages and potential disadvantages. Like any investment, it's crucial to do your homework before diving in. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.